Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to explain the FINIMIZE app review to help you check if it worth to use. So to get started with a quick overview about the FINIMIZE app. FINIMIZE is an financial news and education app designed for busy professionals and beginners investors who want to stay updated on the market and improve their financial literacy without jargon or overwhelmed. It delivers concise daily market insights, investing guides, and audio content that can be consumed in under 5 minutes. This app is available for free with a premium subscription, unlocking deeper analysis and exclusive briefing. The app's biggest strengths are its clean, user-friendly interface and the ability to break down complex topics into digestible summaries. Features like audio briefing, expert insight, and curated pack on investment strategies make it an excellent tool for users who want to build financial knowledge on the go. The premium plan is relatively affordable, and the daily briefing help users develop a consistent habit of financial awareness. However, FINIMIZE has some limitations. It's not a tool for advanced investors looking for a deep analysis, real-time data, or a stock screener. Some Android users have reported occasional bug with the audio features, and the content, while insightful, is geared more towards markets and general market overview and personalized advice. Customer support responsive times is also slower than the ideal time.